taste test.
I know.
Your weekend gardener here with Mom. My other guinea pig.
Yeah.
Evie's not here, so I try to use Mom. So today we're out in the greenhouse and Mom is doing a little, not spring cleaning.
Messing up.
But transferring plants up pottings. Some of her stuff looks a little leggy.
Yeah.
So we gotta, I don't know if they're gonna make it, but we gotta get these close to the light as possible. But they're very, very leggy. You got collard greens that are real super skinny, look like about 4 or 5 inches long.
Oh.
They're not supposed to be that long. Okay, so the reason why I have you all here is we're going to do a taste test. And this is an unusual one because this is the first time we ever do a 5-in-1, 5 different fruits. So I'm looking at what I have, and of course you can see the thumbnail what we have. And I've only had one of these. I haven't had all. So have you ever had a yellow dragon fruit?
No.
Have you ever had a star fruit?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever had jujube?
What is that?
That's a no. And what about a guava?
Guava, yes. I like guava.
Okay, so now is guava supposed to be hard, soft, or the outside, I guess? Because I've never had a guava.
Oh. I guess you should be able to press the fruit and it's...
Like, feel this? Is that too hard?
Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
That's too hard.
We may not do the guava today because she said that's too hard. So 4-in-1. We're not going to do the guava. Now these yellow ones, I had the name when I saw them, and I want to say it's a papaya. I think it's a papaya. I had the name on the receipt, but I'm going to put the name below what it is. I think it's a papaya. I just need to see my receipt. But I went to the international market out in VA, and I started seeing all these fruits that I've never seen them have before, especially the jujube. And I said, got to pick these up. We're going to start with the jujube. All right, one for you. And I'm guessing that you eat it
what?
whole.
Oh.
Yeah, I think they're like dates.
Oh, okay. Skin and all, huh?
Skin and all.
There's a seed inside of it.
I don't know what's inside. We're about to find out. Because you know what I always say.
Oh.
You first.
You first. That's not right.
I always say you first.
Not right.
Come on now. Don't be afraid to get it.
It looks strange.
Well, it looks like a prune. There's two mms.
Really? Tastes like a fig.
Oh, I know I'm not gonna like it.
You don't like figs? So good.
I do not like figs. They taste like watery grapes.
Really?
Yeah, they taste like watery grapes to me.
Wow.
Well, what do you think?
It's good.
1 to 10.
A 10, I like
A
it.
10? Where are you getting your numbers from?
I've always liked figs. Mama used to buy them when we were kids, so we would just eat them.
No scent.
Couldn't keep them. Couldn't keep figs.
You can have mine.
Oh, please.
So, consistency, very wrinkly. Inside looks creamy. Is that a seed in the middle? Okay, so it has a seed, so you know what I always say.
I know, save the seeds.
Save the seeds. Okay. Outside, no taste. I don't think I'm gonna like this.
Oh. Good, isn't it?
It has a It tastes familiar, but it doesn't taste like a fig.
Oh.
You said 1 to 10? You gave it a 10?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
I give it a 3. The inside looks like bread. Looks like bread. Now, had this tree would have been delicious, I would have ordered the had the jujube been delicious, I would have ordered the tree. I'm glad I tasted this because I came very close to buying a tree. All right, that's a no for me. So if I saw this in the grocery store again,
Yeah.
I would tip over the cart so no one can eat them.
It tastes like a fig.
Tastes worse. It's just real different. Okay. Next one we got star fruit. Looks real weird.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't even know how to cut this.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna cut it in sections. There it is right there. All right.
I can still taste the fig.
Ugh, me too. That's
Good.
not good.
Good, good. This is different.
Different good or different bad?
I guess it's okay.
It has a consistency like a melon, a tougher melon, especially when I cut it.
It isn't sweet.
It's not sweet?
Well, I still got that fig in my mouth.
Well, this should erase it.
Is star fruit supposed to be good for you?
I have no idea. If it's bitter, then I would say yes. So, no?
It's not sweet.
Okay, so will you give it a 1 to 10?
Oh, would I eat it again? I might. I give it about a 5, 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
It looks juicy. It's not dry. That's good.
It's not sweet, which is good.
So that means you could probably put it in the smoothie. All right.
Yeah.
This tastes familiar. I cannot put my finger on it. But it's almost like the consistency of a grape, but tougher. One little seed. You know what? I like this better than the jujube.
Oh.
Way better than the jujube. But you know what? I give it a 6.
Okay.
If I saw this in the store again, I would get it.
Oh my.
Yeah, I would get it. But, you know. I just wouldn't be riding around picking it up, though. I probably would get it. If it wasn't expensive, I would get these and I would throw them in a smoothie. Or juice them. Because I think you can make some great juice with this. Okay. The next one we have right here is, I think these are baby papayas. I'm not sure. I'm assuming this one is done. This one is not. So we're going to do this one right here. I'm going to leave you the star fruit, so save the seeds. I'm going to cut this. Oh, the skin is kind of tough. I think I feel a seed in the middle. I'm gonna pull the wig off. Oh yeah, I smelled this before.
Oh.
It smells like a plant I don't like.
Smells like mango.
Oh, it's a mango.
Smells like mango.
That's what it is. Okay, I know I'm not gonna like it then. I don't like mangoes.
You like the juice?
Yeah, I like the juice and I like the soda. So this is a mango. This is a little miniature mango. If I'm not mistaken, mango is part of the poison ivy family.
Really?
I believe so. If I'm wrong, correct me below.
I don't know. Maybe it needs to be a little riper. I'm not sure.
Well, the green one look like it's fresh off the boat.
Yeah. Yeah. The skin is tough.
Yeah, the skin is real tough. I mean, do you ever eat the skin of mangoes?
Know how it's killed.
Okay. That's what that smell is. It's mango. I'm like, I knew I smelled it before. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't like mangoes. Does it taste different than any mango you've had before?
I don't know. It tastes a little bitter. So is this supposed to be ripe?
I don't know. They were yellow, and I said, "Ooh, that looks interesting." The only colors I saw in the little thing was yellow and green.
I usually let them set out, and then they start to turn red. And then the skin it gets softer.
I don't think this one's gonna turn red. I think they go from green to red, but not yellow to red. But you know what? I'm gonna give me a little piece because something tell me I ain't gonna like this.
Yeah. That little seed in there.
Yeah, I don't like the smell.
I'm gonna have to peel that.
Very tart.
Sweet at all.
Which might be good for you. Tart is always good for the kidneys. Okay, 1 to 10.
I don't know. Give it maybe a 6. I would, I would eat it again. No.
Like I said, if I juiced it, I would do it again. I'm just not. I don't know.
No mango.
1 to 10, maybe it's better than the jujube though. Not as good as the star fruit.
Okay.
Yeah, I give it like a 3.5. So if I saw this in the store again, I wouldn't even waste my time with this one. Okay, the last one we have right here is passion fruit. No, what did I call this?
It looks like might be.
It's a yellow one though.
Oh.
It's pitanga. Pitanga. That's the Portuguese word for it. Dragon fruit. That's what it is.
No.
I must be tired today because I forgot. This is dragon fruit. This is yellow dragon fruit. I had this when I was in Brazil.
Good.
So I might rate it again, but we'll see. So what I did is I cut it this way, and I'm gonna leave this for you. And
ooh, all kinds of little seeds.
look at that right there. Smell it. I don't know if you can smell it.
Faint.
Yes. So save the seeds. Let me know what you think. Now, have you ever had dragon fruit?
No.
Never? Oh, shoot. Okay.
It's good. What?
Uh-huh,
It's good.
Sweet, sour.
Just a little sweet.
Just a little sweet. Okay.
Yeah.
Are the seeds crunchy or?
They're so tiny.
Yeah, I think you like it because you're on your third spoon. I think you do like it.
I do, yeah.
But be careful, don't eat too much.
Why is that?
If you're trying to lose some weight today.
Oh. Really? Oh.
You don't want to eat too much of this. You got a dress you're trying to fit tonight. You'll be able to get in it.
Really?
I'm just going to do one.
One
So,
spoon?
yeah, 1 spoon. Because I've had this before. So, 1 to 10.
10.
10? Why does everything get to 10?
Why do you give everything a 2 or a 0?
This is not good.
This is good. I like it.
Okay.
And you don't.
No, I like it.
Oh, okay.
It almost tastes like a consistency of a pear.
Oh.
That's the closest thing I can come up with. It's like a pear. Real sweet. Extra juicy. I see juices all in here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, I like it. When I was in when I saw it in Brazil, and I saw the vendor, I said that's different. Evie's never had it, so we both had it for the first time, and she gave it a 10.
See?
I gave it a 10.
Okay. Wow.
So if I saw this again in the store,
Yep.
and it wasn't super expensive like it is, I would get another one. Actually, I'll probably get about 3 or 4 of these.
Oh.
But I eat them sparingly because they go through you.
Well, then it should be good for you if it goes through you.
Yeah, you want to be careful though.
Oh.
So there you have it.
And
Oh, who's the winner? Okay, you heard it.
yeah.
Yellow dragon fruit, pitanga.
Well, it's a sort of tie.
It's a tie?
Oh.
A tie between who?
I like this little fig.
Jujube.
Well.
Now I don't know if that might be the ling or the. It's 2 jujubes. It's ling and lai. I think Li and ling.
Yeah, I like both of these.
For me, it's this. I don't know what Mom talking about. That's crazy talk. All right. On the dragon fruit, please save my seeds. Put them on a napkin. Let them dry out. Then plant them and see what we can do. Zone 7. See what we can do. All right. We're not live anymore. We're by the time you see this, it's recorded from Mom's greenhouse. Peace.